Winds were really high yesterday,
Very.
evening and night. My gosh.
And I remember, Brian, you said if the leaves at your home hadn't fallen yet, well, they're probably, they're gone now.
I mean, we had a lot of leaves come down already, but you look up at the trees and you see the leaves that are still there. And probably by Saturday morning, a lot of those are going to be on the ground with the strong winds. To Jackie's point a moment ago, yesterday evening around 6, 7 o'clock, we had that cold front come through. It was quite gusty when it did. It did take down a number of trees and countless number of small tree limbs and branches over the area. Elkin reported some trees down, as did Pilot Mountain, Mount Airy, and across portions of Forsyth and Guilford County. That's just a handful of the reports that we received yesterday. Winds are still blowing pretty strongly. Wind speeds at Boone at west-northwest at 20 miles per hour, about 10 to 20 right now, but it will pick up with the rising sun today. Most recent gusts are in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, but I've seen gusts up to about 38 since midnight. Notice, here's our forecast wind speeds today. As we get into the daylight hours, the air is moving around more, and so the winds will start to pick up. Starts to quiet down somewhat during the evening hours, but for Friday, we're expecting a gusty day as well. Winds die down a little bit for Saturday morning with the exception of the mountains, but even Saturday looks a little bit blustery with 10, 20 mile an hour winds. On top of that, we're going to see blowing snow start to develop across the Mountain West later this afternoon and continue for about a day or two, especially in areas above 5,000 feet. We could see substantial snowfall totals that really could benefit some of the ski resorts moving forward. We're also expecting blowing snow and in places poor visibility. Winds gusting up to about 50 miles per hour, and wind chill temperatures, it'll be anywhere from the teens to the 30s over the next 24 hours. Here's one model's projection. I think most of the snowfall will be along the western slopes, the ridge and westward, and not really get over the mountains all that much, or at least we'll see some finer totals. We're not expecting any snowy weather in the foothills or even the Piedmont Triad. This will all be hung up in the mountains. So snow showers developing midday or early afternoon today, continuing through Friday night and early Saturday morning. Winds gusting up to about 50 miles per hour on average. Wind chill temperatures in the high country will be in the teens and 20s. We'll likely see a round of delays and closings for our mountain counties for tomorrow morning. Just something to kind of keep in the back of your mind. Current temperatures are falling fast. Low to mid 30s over much of the area this morning. Still a little bit milder in the foothills. Temperatures, though, overall are about 15 to 25 degrees colder. Wind chill temperatures already have dipped into the mid 20s west and have been close to freezing. It feels like 29 in Yadkinville and 29 in Elkin currently. It's only going to get colder than that the next couple of mornings. Today's temperatures up near the low to mid 50s this afternoon, but it's going to feel like 40s with those winds gusting as high as about 25 or 30 miles per hour in the Triad. I think we'll see a few extra clouds for a couple of hours in the afternoon, but mostly a sunny start to the day for sure. A windy day in the foothills, gusts to about 35 miles per hour possible and a high temperature close to 50. Mountain temperatures likely won't get out of the 30s. We'll begin to see those snow showers developing. Impact icons up for those winter weather advisories. A freeze watch is in place for the Triad overnight tonight into early Friday morning. Something to keep in mind if you got some ferns outside still, some succulents, you want to bring those inside. Those are certainly plants that don't like the cold. As far as your 7-day goes, it stays pretty chilly through Friday. Highs in the 40s, 50s, and then finally 60s by the end of the weekend.